Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanji time. Today we are going to review N3 kanji. Let's go! 行きましょう。学びましょう。ほっ! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. Bang! This kanji means proportion, divide, separate, split, tear. The on reading for this kanji is katsu, as in katsuai. Katsuai means omitting. And the kun reading is wa, sa, wari, as in 役割 meaning role. 私の役割、あなたの役割。私の役割はマイクテスト、マイクテスト、マイクテストをすることです。This kanji means add, increase, join, include. The on reading is か like in 増加 meaning growth, increase. And the kun reading is くわ like in 加える。加える means to add. 塩を加える。オリーブオイルを加える。味が薄いな。そうだ。塩を加えよう。Perfect! Bang! This kanji means help, assist, rescue. Then the on reading is 助 as in 救助 meaning to rescue, aid. The kun reading is 足す、すけ like in 助かる meaning to get out of trouble, be saved. うわー、綺麗な魚がいっぱいだ。ボコボコボコボコボコボコボコボコ。あー、綺麗な魚がいっぱいだ。ボコボコボコボコボコボコ。足がつかない。ありがとうございます。助かりました。気をつけなきゃ。Then, this kanji means exert, toil, as much as possible, endeavor. The on reading is ど like in 努力 meaning effort. And kun reading is つと like in 努める meaning to endeavor. When this kanji means labor, thanks for, reward for, trouble. The on reading is 労 like in 苦労 meaning hardship. And the kun reading is いたわ、ねぎら as in ねぎらう。ねぎらう meaning to labor. 苦労をねぎらう。お疲れ様。Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. かつあい、ねぎらう、加える、助かる、努力。Now say the meaning of the following words. 努める to endeavor 苦労 hardship 増加 increase growth 救助 rescue aid 役割 role. Boom. That's all for today. Did you learn something new? I hope so. See you at the next Kanji time. Bye for now. Bye bye. See you next week. 痛い。Help, rescue, assist. Help. I need somebody help. I need the help. Burn